fighting coronavirus.
It's just a matter of hours until we hear more from Governor Roy Cooper about how he plans to reopen parts of the state impacted by the COVID-19 outbreak.
And as of now, the stay-at-home order is set to expire next Wednesday. CBS 17's Capitol reporter Michael Hyland's live right now at the state's Emergency Operations Center with a look at what we found out so far. Michael?
Right, we expected the closest look we've gotten to this point of what this process is actually going to look like, but that doesn't mean we're going to get specific dates about when all the various aspects of society that have been closed because of COVID-19 will actually reopen. We expect Governor Cooper to talk about some of the specific data he'll be looking at that'll be guiding this decision-making and the downward trends the governor says that we need to see for the state to start easing more of the restrictions. Health experts say that we are seeing signs of the curve flattening in North Carolina, but this morning the State Department of Health and Human Services also reported the highest number of people in the hospital we've seen so far at 486, but a higher percentage of hospitals reported that data today. Republicans in the state Senate sent the governor a letter asking for more data on precisely how much more testing, medical supplies, and people to trace COVID-19 that the governor thinks the state needs. Senate Leader Phil Berger says he does not expect a sudden return to normalcy.
I don't think it's all one step. I don't think we get back to January in one step. I think there's a process involved.
Are incredibly vulnerable to this very contagious virus for which we have no immunity. So and no really good treatment. So it's a very dangerous thing to do to open up and reverse our strides in social distancing.
The governor also said this week he'll announce what to do about the rest of the school year. Most states have already said kids are not going back to school. Here in North Carolina, schools are closed through May 15th. The governor will be speaking here at 3, and we will bring that to you live here at CBS 17 as well as on CBS17.com. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.